Beamer boy. It is what I think it is. Ah! Ah! Yes, sir. Have it ready by tomorrow or what?
No.
And go.
Speedometers for some
What?
reason. Yeah.
I mean, it's mid, but I mean, fuck, you're gonna have a turbo.
You gotta look inside that. Weird.
Sick, dude. Damn, Beamer boy. It'll be the boy. You got a downpipe? No downpipe. Okay, so yeah, you may be looking like you're running it out the hood then. Spideys?
Oh, probably black widows. I didn't like that. I put my hand in that.
Oh!
What are you doing to me? The world's hardest job is the headers.
Yes, 100%. Headers go there, turbo goes here. How much was the kit? $400? $400 turbo kit? The fuck? Is it like a kit that you can typically buy? How much is a kit brand new?
The ones are like $1,200.
Okay.
All the stuff that
Is there instructions for this kit? Or like pictures, step-by-steps?
How do they do that?
I don't know. Facebook Marketplace turbo kit.
Instructions? Who are the instructions? I don't know, you just did.
Uh-huh.
Couldn't tell you where you start, but I would start trying to take those things out.
What the fuck is this?
Here's your instructions.
Ah, when installing turbocharger. Okay, I'm bored. We'll figure it out.
I'll tell you that.
Oh,
That won't work.
that's fucked. Yep.
That would make this thing probably get lots of boost.
$400, dude. Fuck yeah, dude.
This is...
She gonna rip.
Look at that dongle.
Donk. Oh,
Shoot,
shit, what does that look like?
Oh,
We call him the Red Rocket.
yeah, more excited than me.
Yeah. Got him. That's fucked. Previously, on our last drift video, our hydraulic handbrake took a crap. We need to get that fixed because we have a drift event coming up very quickly called Bros Before Pros. If you guys don't know what Bros Before Pros is, the day after Formula Drift Utah, we're going to be taking this car on the go-kart track. Yes, the little freaking go-kart track at Utah Motorsports Campus, or my bad, Burt Brothers Motorsports Park. This car will be on the skid pad drifting with Formula Drift cars, seeing if we can keep up. So it is going to be quite priority to have a hydro that works good so we can try to keep up with the pros. Let's get to it. Fucking bunny, look. Dude, a baby bunny under my car. Yo, what's pimping? Been outside for 5 minutes and my phone is already overheating. It's so freaking hot. Ah. Oh. Shit, my rim. Over here appears to be our issue. It's leaking from right there. Oh, so that's why it's leaking. The line completely snapped. Back with a brand new brake line. That should be nice and snug, Tim. No more leaks. Is this gonna be in the way of my wheel at all? I think that's why it probably broke before, is I tried bending it so it wouldn't be in the way. Okay, I don't even have it bolted up all the way and I can already tell that is going to be an issue right there. Let's try to bend the line and hopefully it doesn't break this time. Got it bent quite a bit out of the way. Let's throw the wheel back on, see if we rub. There we go. She clears good now. That should be all set. Steady. We'll just add some brake fluid. Get my lovely assistant to come and lead the system with me. Have her pull the hydro. I'll crack the breathers. Then we can go test it. I am totally shocked right now. Raceland got some new shocks sent over to me in 2 days. They are local here in Utah. I was thinking my old ones might be under warranty still. They're kind of clapped out, as you can see from this clip here. Yeah, they're whooped. Let's hope these help out. The old suspension is like 5 years old, so it's definitely time for some new stuff. We'll be upgrading to some much better suspension as we're going to be competing in Pro-Am competitions next year. we're gonna need a spicier suspension setup. So comment down below what we should get. Or if anybody's got a suspension setup they want me to try out, hit me up. So what's up, Tim? You coming to fuck with my shit? Watch out, Tim. Trust me. Yo, you're testing it. You got tension come off it. Let's unbolt the top, and I think we'll unbolt the other top side. It'll probably be easier to do that side with the top undone. Sometimes I just have to do it the hard way. There we go. 4-year-old shock push test. Still took some effort, not very much. Brand new Raceland shock. See that return? That's smooth. Took effort, but smooth. 4-year-old shock. Oh, you can like hear it too. It doesn't like to return very well. I don't know, maybe it's fun. But we have brand new ones. Let's throw these in. Tim, what are you doing right there, dude? That's where my shock's supposed to go. Yo, you gotta move, bro. Get out of here. Dude, hey. There you go, thank you. Jeez. Get it in the hole. 3, 2, 1, wheel off. Boom. Now 3, 2, 1, shock off. Okay, as I was putting this one on, I totally forgot these little bushings. So they're actually pretty smushed up. I decided to get some new ones. Make sure you're still going in your hole. Nice. Theoretically, I can just pull this down and pop this out. No bushing. Here you go, buddy. You're just gonna put these right there on that. Then I got tools right here, and you can use these to tighten it up, okay? Okay, sweet. Thanks, bud. Okay, Tim got this all finished up for us. Nice and tightened in there with some brand new bushings. Yes, sir. Brand new shocks installed. Hopefully we see a difference with how much maneuvering it does, or I could say body roll it does. Has a small rear sway bar, whatever stock is. And then these are just kind of street coilovers, not necessarily rated for track use. So we are going to be upgrading here shortly. That being said though, shocks done. Now back to the brakes. Okay, we are back and I have the brake fluid and my assistances. Let's go ahead and get these brakes bled. Got 2 options for you, funnel or just send it. Which one do you want to do?
Pump it?
Pump it up.
Okay, you said as far as I can?
No. Leaking out the bottom right here on this line. So I must need to add a crush washer. All right, so we're gonna try 3. See if that does something.
And hold.
Beautiful. That's probably chilling. Okay, we're gonna bleed the system one more time. Hopefully it gets a little bit better, takes away some of that play. But either way, I think it's got enough pressure to lock the brakes. We'll have to go test it now. Okay, with the brake system completely bled, all we gotta do is throw our wheels on, check our fluid levels, and then we can go test drive. We'll get the car warmed up. You guys will see the car when she's ready. Boom! Ready? Hold on, maybe that wasn't good enough. Boom! And she's all put back together. Did a quick look over, got all the fluids topped off, power steering, oil. Coolant looks good, but I don't have an overflow tank. I totally forgot to make one. So here's our new overflow tank. We're gonna cut a hole in the cap, get this installed. There we go, overflow tank, fixed. It is now a new day and it is time to go test out our hydro. It's raining outside, so you know what that means. We're gonna have 1,000 horsepower and unlimited tires. Let's go hit the church. Duh, don't you guys wanna hear a cold start of your favorite car in the whole wide world? Motherfucking V8 Mustang, baby. Let's get a cold start. Yeah. Got the engine running, hooked up to cables, and I've got my jump pack turned on. You better start freaking right the frick now, fricker. Hell yeah. After we got the brakes all warmed up, they started locking. Now we should be all set for Bros Before Pros. But first, let's go see if we can lock in another Facebook Marketplace purchase. As you can see, we are now in buttfuck Egypt. We actually have acquired the part. Got some more control arms, don't really need those, but this is what we needed. Tubular front subframe. That's gonna save us weight and give us a bunch more space to work on the freaking car. This was quite the journey though. 2-hour drive just for this, so we could save like $300-400 bucks. Comment below if you think it was worth the drive. The journey of 1,000 steps begins with one. We're back home. It is the next day from when we picked up this subframe. I'm so hyped on the deal that we got on this thing. This is actually not going to be going into the white car. It's going to be going into the red competition Mustang. When you get something, you got to give something. We're going to be giving up our SSR Vienna Courage wheels. These were for my 350Z, but the 350Z has been on the back burner for a long time, and we need a cage for the comp car. We're trying to get into Pro-Am competitions next year. Gotta let them go so we can get a cage. Homie Brian from Drift Rat Garage is hooking us up with a killer deal on a cage install. And he's gonna be buying these wheels from us. So that should be getting us into the competitions next year. Y'all better watch out for my slow ass Mustang. Yeehaw. Woo. Off to their new home.
We actually traded feet pic videos for the wheels.
Exactly, yeah. Clean trade.
And I need to smack your Mustang with my Skyline.
Yeah, dude, I'm trying to get some Skyline scrapage on my car.
You see my new roof?
New roof. Oh, dude, is that this car? Oh my God. Oh my God. That's so good. That's so sick. Yeah, dude, the comp car. She needs a paint job. Hot boy Mustang. Woo! Yeah, brother. Yeah, you as well. Take it easy. SSR Vienna Courage wheels. Gone. That is going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. If you made it to the end of this video, it means the absolute world to me. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting me and this channel and my dreams of making all this shit happen. If you guys want to see more of Mesa's $400 Facebook turbo kit install, build, whatever you want to call it, make sure to comment and bully him so we can get some more footage going and we can get that car on the freaking road. That being said, make sure to like, subscribe for more. We ain't stopping here. Videos are only going to keep getting better and better, and you're not going to want to miss out. Catch you guys on the next one.